Alright. Tapos, thank you. Si reaction ay nakasimple.
And I had fun meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mami, akin na, titiklopin ko yan. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Hindi yung ano mo. Camera mo, akin na.
Broke it in 2 places.
Hihirapan ka naman.
Actually, I'm going back. I'm living in the US. Houston.
Houston.
Yeah, it's
I have one brother in Houston and one in Austin. The one in Austin is cutting hair.
Oh,
Yeah, you might know him. He does a good job.
wow. Nice meeting you, ma'am.
Small world.
Yes, this is the whole world.
Yeah.
I'm going back.
And go to Ponchatoula. It's the Indian name.
Uh-huh.
Louisiana, strawberry capital of the world. It's like this.
Oh, okay.
Very cool.
Okay,
See
okay.
you later.
See you later, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. I recorded it. I'm gonna upload it in my YouTube channel.
Now they know what old people do.
Thank you.
Kahit saan makarating ang utol ko may tropa
Ha?
Kahit saan makarating, may tropa.
Kasi sabi ko bawal yan, ma'am. They, ano lang, sabi ko, inalaw lang tayong ano ng mga farmers. Sabi ko, pero ma-introuble sila pag tayo.
Ha?
Picture tayo.
Ha?
Picture tayo. 4.
Enjoy your stay here, ma'am.
You too.
Okay, see you.
Stay safe.
Ano ate, paano mo?
Na-interview.
Kaparehas mo?
Interview ko siya.
Kaparehas niya, Amerikana. Siya naman, Amerikanang hilaw.
Ano, sige nga ate, paano nga?
Taglit lang.